So, in preparation for next week's exam, I think it's best we do a little test on the periodic table of elements. Lauren. Lauren! Lauren!
All right.
Just Lauren.
All right.
What on earth do you think you're doing? You were talking to Ryan and Lise.
They're my brethren, though, innit?
Whilst I was speaking.
So?
If you've got something to say, Lauren, why don't you tell the whole class?
I ain't chatting to this crew.
Well, then, perhaps you better complete this little test on your own. See if you like speaking to the whole class after that.
Whatever.
OK, right. I'm going to point out some of these symbols on this table, and you're going to tell me what they represent. And if you don't complete this test with 100% correct answers, I'm going to put you on detention.
Is it?
Yes, it is. What does ZN stand for?
Zinc.
Correct. What about CA?
Calcium.
What does B stand for?
What?
What is B for?
B is for boron.
Correct.
Ain't it though?
MI.
Am I bothered?
No. Lauren. MI.
Am I bothered though?
No. Are you?
Are you disrespecting me?
Are you, Lauren?
Yes, I am. Are you a geek?
Lauren, you.
You is a geek though.
I'm warning you. BA.
But are you a geek though?
No, Lauren.
You are a geek though.
No, I'm not.
Do you dress like one though?
No, I do not.
Do you buy your clothes from the catalogue?
No.
Do you pay for them in instalments?
No.
Your jeans got an elasticated waist?
No.
You got a reversible fleece? You got a reversible fleece, sir. You are a geek.
No, I'm not a geek, OK? I am a science teacher.
Are you Stephen Hawkins?
No.
Are you Stephen Hawkins, though?
No.
Do you wish you were Stephen Hawkins?
No.
When you're at home, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you're at home, right?
Yes.
Right, when you're at home,
Uh-huh.
do you pretend to be Stephen Hawkins?
No.
You got a funny little voice box?
No.
Do you bowl about in a little wheelchair?
Now, that is unacceptable.
Well, stop doing it then.
But, no, that is enough, OK? You're lucky I'm one of the more reasonable teachers in this school, otherwise you would be in a lot of trouble. As it is, I'm going to give you a second chance. F.
Face?
No.
Bothered? Look, face. Look, bothered. I ain't even bothered though.
Come
Do you think I'm
on.
bothered? Look at my face. Look at my face. I ain't even bothered. Look at my face. Periodic table.
Look.
I ain't even bothered. Look at my face
Lauren.
though. You're looking at my face. Face. Look, bothered. Boron. Bunsen burner. I ain't even bothered.
I am
Socks
trying.
and sandals. Albert Einstein. Ain't even bothered. Stephen Hawkins. I ain't bothered. Look, still bothered. Look, face bothered. Bunsen burner. You go hiking. I ain't even bothered. I ain't bothered.
Right. That's it, young lady. I cannot continue this lesson with you in here. I have given you plenty of warning. I would like you to collect your things and leave. And don't say another word. I'm sorry about that, class. Now, anyone else? MG.
Magnesium, isn't it?